nice to get some kind of warm sound on this mic. I don't know, it just sounds a bit raw.
So it's going to sound pretty raw to you, and then there's lots of verb on it out here.
1, 2, yeah.
This is actually nice. This is kind of a nice thing here. And I will raise you from your sleep. Yeah, I think this is better. Mama's downtown, baby, on her shoulder. Black velvet, if you please. Warmer. Keep singing up. Get the head going. Go on.
Happy with that?
Yeah, sure.
We got sticks?
There's something different.
Yeah. You know, I'm not a drummer, right? Can you give it to Becky? She'll put it with all your audition stuff.
1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, everybody, we're ready to go. I think next first up we've got Emily.